What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. Mia Santos here at She's Financially Free. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 tips for your Amazon selling success. So make sure you stay tuned till the end, follow, like, and subscribe for all the best Amazon FBA videos. All right, let's jump right into it. And I'm going to share with you 7 Amazon selling success secrets that I have found extremely valuable and given me such an edge over other sellers. I've been selling on Amazon for 2 years. I have a 6-figure store. I quit my job. I do not have to work anymore. Amazon is my main source of income. And let me tell you, girl, I've been traveling the world, getting paid every day with Amazon. So it has been the best thing that's ever happened to me. And I'm going to share with you 7 tips for your Amazon selling success. So, number 1. You need to have capital and you need to have time when you are first getting started, okay? Without time and without capital, you are not going to get very far in this business. I recommend starting with around $3,000, and you need to plan ahead for your reorder. A lot of people think, okay, I have my $3,000, I've bought my first round of products, and now the cash is just going to be flowing in. When in retrospect, Amazon actually keeps your money for the first month you are selling on Amazon. A lot of people don't realize this when they're first getting started. So you need to plan ahead for 1 month after your product launches, okay? And then you need to start thinking about your reorder. So as soon as your product launches, you're going to start putting money aside for the reorder and to get you through that first month of selling. They keep your revenue for the first month because they want to cover their butt. There's all these little back end things and fees that they are worried about. But don't worry, after that first month, the money will start flowing in and you'll be getting paid once every 2 weeks. But you need to plan ahead with that initial capital. And then you also need to have time, okay? Once you launch your product, the time is way less that you're going to have to put into this business. The business really becomes passive after. Passive meaning you don't have to work super hard and super long hours on the business. It becomes a passive business after your product launches. But in the beginning, you're going to need to allocate some time to this business, okay? So put aside maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours every day into your Amazon business. You're going to want to find the winning product. You're going to want to source the right supplier. And this takes time, okay? Then once you're launched, the time is going to go down to maybe 3 to 5 hours per week that you're actually monitoring your PPC campaigns and you're answering customer questions. It's very passive after you put in that initial time. But definitely know that you're going to need some time and you're going to need some capital to get started and to be successful. Okay, it doesn't do it by itself. So that's number 1. Number 2, your second tip for Amazon success is your mindset. Okay, if you're one of these people that is always negative, always complaining, saying, oh, I'm so unlucky and the universe never delivers for me and nothing ever works out for me, then this business is not going to be for you, okay? You need to switch into the mindset, the abundance mindset, a positive mindset, and you need to set yourself up for success first up here, okay? So there's going to be ups and downs in this business. There's going to be highs and lows, and you need to be prepared to come at all of whatever is thrown at you with a positive mindset. You need to be thinking forward. You need to be thinking success. You need to be in the millionaire mind, the success mind, the abundance mindset. Things will work out for you if you are in the right mindset. Okay, so number 2 is mindset. Number 3, to be successful, I really would recommend doing one product at a time. A lot of people get excited. I even did this. I thought my first year I was going to have 10 products launched. That was my goal. And I knew I was going to be able to do this. And really, it's a learning curve. Every product, every category, every niche that you get into is going to be a little bit different. There's going to be different hurdles to jump over. So I highly recommend you go with one product at a time. Therefore, you can master that niche, master that category, master that product, and also have enough money left over for your reorder. Okay, instead of diving first into 10 products, and maybe some of them are going to sell, some of them aren't. And you're going to lose money in the end by trying to do too much at once. So less is more in this business. Really, one product will change your whole life. One product will be enough money to pay your rent, pay your bills. So you don't need so many products. I'm now 2 years in and I am still not to my 10 product goal. And I already have a 6-figure business. So you don't need, it's quality over quantity, okay? So pick a winning product and pick one winning product and launch one product at a time. This will save you a lot of time, money, and headache. So number 3, one product at a time. Number 4 is don't follow your passions in this business. Follow the data, follow the trends, and follow what people want to buy. Okay? A lot of people are starting out and they want to be super passionate behind all of their products, and they want to sell things that they like instead of selling products that are going to sell. Okay, so follow the data and go with the numbers. Stick with the product research checklist and do not sell a product just because you want to sell it. Don't get into a super competitive category just because you're passionate about that niche. Okay, so follow the data, not your passion here. And that might sound a little deceiving to some people, but it is just how it works. If you follow the steps, you follow the data, you will be successful in this business, okay? And if you would like a product research checklist and you want to know exactly what formula to follow for picking a winner, I have a video in the description below. I have a 1-hour training on product research and picking the right products, picking the right supplier. So go ahead and watch that video if you're interested in getting more information on how to follow the data. So number 4, don't follow your passion, follow the data. Number 5 is have amazing photos, okay? You put so much time, energy, and money into sourcing the right product, buying that first round of inventory, getting your supplier all picked out, and then I see so many sellers put up just generic photos they've taken with their cell phone, photos they've tried to take in their office. Just don't do that. If you're going to get this far in the business, you've got to invest some money into your photos. So number 5 is have great photos. 90% of online shoppers look at the photos first, and then they look at the title, and then they look at the bullets, and lastly, the description. So you've really got to have amazing photos, okay? This is definitely something you want to invest a little bit of money into. And I also have a link below for 15% off at my favorite photo photography studio. It's a photography studio designed by Amazon sellers. It's created by Amazon sellers for Amazon sellers, and you will not lose with this company. The link is below. The company's called Seller Studios, and you can save 15% with the link. So number 5 is have great photos, okay? Number 6, design a killer label, okay? You want your eyes to be drawn to your label, okay? So go into color psychology. Find out what colors are the most attractive to your target market. Have bold, bright colors and have bold, impactful text, okay? Because think about it. When you're scrolling through Amazon, there's 100 different little thumbnail images that people are going to be scrolling through, and you want your eyes to be drawn to your label, okay? You will be way more successful, even if you have just an okay product, but you have an amazing label, better than all of your competitors. You will be more successful than your competitors just by having a better label alone. So really put time and energy into designing your label. I use Fiverr.com for my label design. I just go on there, I find some graphic designers that specialize in Amazon labels, and then I pull up all my competitors and all the front pages labels, and I say, make a label that's better, brighter, and bolder than this, okay? So number 6 is designing a killer label. And number seventh tip I have for you for your Amazon success is use your description and use your bullet points to address problems and answer questions, okay? Tell a story with your first bullet. Evoke emotion with your first bullet point and in your product description, okay? If you've got a bunch of customers asking a lot of different questions, that is your cue, your key to add those questions, answer those questions in your description, okay? Your bullet points should be addressing any problems that your product is solving, and your description should be addressing any questions that the customer might have, okay? You don't want to just a generic description saying, my product is 7 inches long by 7 inches wide. You want to describe what problems how it's going to help your customer, and the emotions that they're going to feel when they are using your product, okay? So use your description as a showcase to highlight the problems that your product solves and the emotions that the people are going to feel, and answer any questions in the description. So there you have it. Those are my top 7 Amazon selling success tips. If you follow these 7 tips, you will be beyond successful on Amazon. And if you like this video today, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Turn on the notification bells. I'll be releasing videos every week with more Amazon FBA strategies and ways you can be successful. Again, if you'd like an in-depth product research tutorial, I have a 1-hour free training where I dive deep into how to pick a winning product, and picking a winning product is the lifeblood of your Amazon business. So I wish you all much love, success, abundance, and lots of Amazon sales. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.